The world is changing, fast, the old ways of building wealth are fading. A new era is upon us, the era of digital assets. Just like the gold rush of the past, this is a time of immense opportunity. The gold, digital assets. Digital assets are the new frontier. They are reshaping how we think about value. It's not about physical possessions anymore. It's about owning a piece of the digital world. This is where the real wealth is being created. This new world can be confusing. It's easy to feel lost. That's why I'm here. This essay will be your guide. We'll explore this exciting world together. Get ready to unlock the secrets of digital assets. Let's talk about codebizznet. Think of it as your online marketplace. Here you can buy, sell, and trade digital assets. It's like the New York Stock Exchange, but for the digital age. Codebizznet makes it easy. You don't need to be a tech expert. The platform is user-friendly. You can create an account in minutes. Then, you're ready to start exploring the world of digital assets. Security is key in the digital world. Codebizznet understands this. They use the latest technology to protect your investments. Your digital assets are safe and secure on their platform. Codebizznet is more than just a trading platform. It's a community. You'll find resources and educational materials. You can connect with other investors, learn from their experiences, share your own. Digital assets come in many forms, each with its own unique characteristics and potential for growth. Let's break down some of the most popular types. First, we have cryptocurrencies. These are digital currencies. They use cryptography for security. Bitcoin is the most famous example. Think of it as digital gold. Next, we have NFTs. NFTs stand for non-fungible tokens. They represent ownership of unique digital items. This could be anything: art, music, even virtual real estate. Speaking of virtual real estate, that's another exciting type of digital asset. You can buy and sell property in virtual worlds. As these worlds grow in popularity, so too does the value of your virtual land. These are just a few examples. New types of digital assets are emerging all the time. This is a dynamic and constantly evolving space. Section 4. Why digital assets? The allure of the intangible. Why are so many people excited about digital assets? What makes them so special? There are several key advantages that traditional assets lack. Firstly, digital assets are decentralized. They are not controlled by any government or institution. This gives you more control over your investments. Secondly, digital assets are global. You can trade them with anyone in the world, 24/7. This opens up a world of investment opportunities. Thirdly, digital assets are highly liquid. You can buy and sell them quickly and easily. This makes them ideal for both short-term trading and long-term investment. Lastly, digital assets have the potential for high growth. We've seen this with Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Early investors have made significant returns. Section 5. Strategies for success. Navigating the CodeBiz marketplace. How can you make money with digital assets on CodeBiz? There are several strategies you can employ. The key is to find one that suits your risk tolerance and investment goals. One popular strategy is day trading. This involves buying and selling assets within the same day. The goal is to profit from small price fluctuations. It requires close attention to the markets and a good understanding of technical analysis. Another strategy is long-term investing. This involves holding on to assets for an extended period, often years. The goal is to benefit from the long-term growth potential of the asset. This strategy requires patience and a belief in the underlying fundamentals of the asset. You can also diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Invest in a variety of different assets. This can help to mitigate risk and maximize your chances of success. Remember, there is no guaranteed path to riches. Investing in digital assets carries inherent risks. Do your research. Invest wisely.